Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Mbali Talks. In today's video, I want to share with you some easy websites that will pay you daily, literally within 24 hours. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then please just reward me for all the work that has gone into this video by hitting that like button. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so that you can join our community and never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Without wasting any of your time, let's get right into it. The first website that you can check out, which is easy to join, that will literally pay you within 24 hours if you're able to do the work well, is called Testerwork. Testerwork is basically a testing platform that has different apps from companies around the world that are looking for people just like you who want to make quick money online by being able to participate in their testing. Basically, how Testerwork works is, first of all, you need to sign up, which means you register your account and complete their 3-step Q&A assessment. Number 2, if you pass the QA assessment, you get to start testing apps and websites. They will send you exclusive invites to join their latest test cycles. They literally have new test cycles starting every day. And then of course, number 3, once your test cycle is complete, you can sit back, relax, and get to enjoy your well-deserved payment because Testerwork is then going to pay you. On the website, they've listed some of the benefits that you can get from you being able to test with them. First of all, obviously, the most important, which brings us all here, is the fact that you're going to make money. You're going to make money for the bugs that you report and test cycles that you complete. If you're a QA professional or only a tech enthusiast, you can increase your income by joining Testerwork. Number 2 advantage is the fact that you get to gain QA skills and experience. By joining the Testerwork community, you'll have access to their exclusive QA resources and will gain experience by testing amazing apps from household names, enabling you to become a better QA tester. Part of the advantage of having these skills is the fact that you'll then be able to work on other testing platforms, and you can also even reference some of the work that you do on Testerwork to make sure that you're able to get paid by other platforms to do the same work. The third benefit of working for Testerwork is that you get to test when you want on any project. You can literally test in your free time, making your own working schedule. Test on as many available projects you want from every industry whenever you're available. So there's no fixed time for when you need to check in or clock in. You can literally work at any time that you want. And then number 4 is for people that are really enthusiastic about apps, etc., because you get to participate in their testathon. They organize testathon events around the world. Testathons are like hackathons, but for people that actually do testing of apps. Their community members are the first to get access to these exclusive events. When you go onto the Testerwork About Us section and scroll all the way down on their website, you're going to find all the testers from around the globe that they actually hire. They have from Indonesia, Egypt, South Africa, India, Nigeria, Mexico, Russia, Kenya, Brazil, Thailand, etc. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is not a website that is only exclusive to the United States. It's a website that is actually available for a lot of people around the world for you to be able to make money by just becoming a tester of different apps. So it's definitely worth checking out. GrabPoints is the next easy website that you can join that will be able to pay you daily, and you can make money from it from anywhere in the world. GrabPoints is basically like a survey site, but they have different ways for you to be able to make money. We're just going to read a bit more about them. They say here how GrabPoints works is the fact that you convert your time into cash as well as gift cards. Number 1, of course, like with every other website, you will need to sign up and create an account and complete your profile in order to earn your first reward. Then you start earning points by answering surveys, watching videos, downloading apps, and even playing games. And then you get to cash out that money by choosing from hundreds of cash as well as gift cards from their rewards shop. When you come onto their website and click this earn button, it actually shows you the different ways for you to be able to make money on a platform like GrabPoints. You can either participate in surveys. Some of them pay $2.9, some of them pay 0.6 cents, some of them pay $1.6. Whatever amount, there's different surveys that you can actually check out in order for you to be able to make money. Another way for you to make money on GrabPoints is to participate in featured offers. Most of the featured offers, you find that maybe they want you to download and play a game to a certain level, etc. And if you complete those offers, then you're going to get all these points that are listed here that you can then convert into the cash that you actually get to cash out. There's also offer walls from different companies, as well as they show the different survey partners that they actually have on their platform. So if you're somebody who's looking to make a bit of money online, all the way in the comfort of your home, in an easy to join, easy to start platform, then definitely do check out GrabPoints. The next is a website that you can check out if you're trying to make money online on a daily basis is a website called GetPaidTo. GetPaidTo says earn money every time you go online and get paid 2 points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, as well as more. Joining their website is absolutely free, and they list the different ways for you to actually be able to make money, just as what we read above. How does GetPaidTo actually work? Number one, they say here, you're going to do tasks, which means you're going to fill in surveys, watch videos, play games, as well as many other ways for you to be able to make money online. And then you earn your points. Every time you earn 5,000 points, that basically translates to $1. So you basically get rewarded for every time that you're on their platform. And then, of course, you're going to get paid. You can redeem your GetPaidTo money either through cash, cryptocurrencies, as well as gift cards. For people that are actually into crypto, I often feel like these websites that are willing to pay you in cryptocurrencies are actually not a bad way for you to be able to make your crypto money, because then it means you don't get to put in your own actual physical money from your own bank account. You will just be growing your crypto bit by bit by actually participating in these GetPaidTo sites that are suggested in a video just like this one. The website goes on to list the different ways that you can actually make money on GetPaid. This includes playing fun online games. By playing games on GetPaidTo, it's an easy way to earn money online and get paid for your time. They have a wide selection of games, including Sudoku, crossword, word search, pool, etc. All you have to do is watch your earnings grow and then choose to cash them out or exchange them for a gift card at one of their favorite stores. Some of the stores that they actually listed below include Amazon. So if you're somebody who shops a lot on Amazon, this is also not a bad website for you to be able to make money that you can actually use for you to be able to actually buy on Amazon. Another way to make money on GetPaidTo is the fact that they have high paying surveys. Get your views heard and start getting paid for your time spent online. They've got some of the best providers as well as research panels, offering you new ways to earn every day. They also have offer walls, which are actually quite similar to the platform that we actually just spoke about right now. And they also have something called quick points, which means from watching music videos, adverts, trailers, to filling in captures, there's a world of money earning opportunities that you can actually find on GetPaidTo, and you don't even have to invest too much of your time. So if you feel like you're somebody who is ready to not invest a lot of your time to actually make money online on a daily basis, you can also use this quick points way for you to be able to make money without even you ever taking a survey or playing a game and downloading it or even doing the offer worlds. You can just decide to focus on the easy ways for you to actually be able to make money on a platform just like GetPaidTo. So it's definitely worth checking out. Once you feel like you're ready to start on their platform, just click this join tab that's in green here in order for you to start the application process. The next Exit website that you can check out to make money daily is one that I'm also actually new to. This is called test.io. This is basically a freelance testing community that pays you just the same way that Testerwork works in order for you to be able to test apps and actually make money. The benefits of being on test.io include the fact that you get to work from anywhere. You test wherever you are, from a couch in your dorm or a chair with beach views. I definitely like the sound of the beach views, guys. You know that I love traveling, so that's definitely my jam. Also, you get to earn extra money. You can actually use test.ai as a side hustle, the same way that you view your big trip or your dream purchase, as if it actually depends on it. I like the fact that on this website they use a lot of dreamy words, because I'm such a big dreamer, guys, which is why I'm even on a platform like YouTube doing the kind of work that I do, because I believe in putting in work in order for you to be able to achieve the kind of lifestyle that you want. Number 3, you get to actually test the latest apps. You get exclusive looks at the new apps from leading companies as well as innovative startups. So you're always in the know of what is going on technologically from the different companies in the world. And then also, of course, the one thing that is always important with any experience in life is that you get to expand your mind. You sharpen your existing skills and learn new ones from their testing academy as well as the community of testers. Before we can click the Become a Tester tab, I just want us to go through their registration process, which is basically a very simple 5-step test. First of all, you're going to register. They say here, sign up on this particular link that you see here and set up all your devices. Number 2, you onboard, which means after you're approved from the application, you get onboarded through their library of testing resources, which means they're going to share different testing resources to give you some form of familiarity with the kind of work that you're actually going to be expected to do on test.io. Number 3, you then start the work of testing and earning. You'll receive an invitation to your first test and you will get paid from your first attempted bug or reproduction. Number 4, which is still part of their registration process, you build your testing cred. This means that you get more invitations to test based on your devices, skills, and interest while you continuously learn. So even though they're going to pay you for your first attempted test, you still need to show an improvement in your ability to test using their software so that obviously your testing cred can go up and therefore you start getting paid even more. And then lastly, from being able to work on their website, you will become a great tester. You'll keep testing the latest and greatest apps as you enjoy all the opportunities that their community actually has to offer. Then the website goes on to have information about their access resources as well as getting prepped to test. However, I just want us to scroll all the way down to get to their frequently asked questions, because I know that the burning question in everyone's mind is actually how much you get to earn or you stand to earn on a platform just like TestOI. They say here how much you earn will depend on the test you qualify for, the kinds of bugs you are able to find, and whether your findings are accepted by their customers as being valid. The most lucrative bugs pay up to $50. The most lucrative test cases often involve specific phones as well as locations. So obviously you will need to have specific type of devices, whether it's an iPhone, an Android, even your actual laptop, as a way for you to be able to test some of the apps that they're going to have on offer on a platform like test.io. But I just think it's one of the high-end platforms that you can check out if you're somebody who either enjoys testing or you're actually new to the game and want to actually start out. I do like the idea that when they talk about you being able to earn, they do say that they're going to accept your first bug or reproduction, which means you don't have to be experienced in testing, but you can obviously use their platform to grow from there to make sure that you obviously start earning a bit more money than you did at the beginning. The next app that you can actually check out in order for you to be able to make money daily is actually a Google Play app that is called iRazoo Rewards. When you scroll down a bit, we're going to read about what they actually do. They say here the brand pays you for consumer input. So they recruit members just like you and I. When you do activities on iRazoo, you earn free gift cards as well as cash. Joining is simple and sign up is free, so you can start earning now. So when I discover apps just like this one, I usually want to see their rating on Google Play. Unfortunately, I discovered that iRazoo on Google Play has a 2.6 rating, which was a bit strange for me because based on my research, it was one of the easiest way for you to actually be able to watch and earn, which basically means you're making money, watching videos, playing games, etc. So I did a bit more digging and I actually discovered that on Trustpilot, iRazoo actually has a rating of 4.6, which is very high considering the fact that Trustpilot is an accumulation of a lot of people's views. For example, iRazoo has reviews from 4,100 people. So for me, it made me feel like I'm not sure why they have a 2.6 rating on Google Play, but it could also be just that maybe as a technological app, they are not exactly the best in the sense that you find that they maybe have a lot of bugs every time and again you may need to refresh. However, in terms of the work that you're going to do and actually getting paid, you can actually trust them because they have this 4.6 rating on a platform like Trustpilot. Trustpilot even goes on to describe iRazoo as the web's most popular rewards program, where they give you free gift cards and cash for everyday things you already do online. You can earn iRazoo points when you search, watch videos, complete offers, play games, as well as answer surveys. Then you can redeem your iRazoo points weekly for gift cards to your favorite retailers to get cash back from PayPal. So on iRazoo, you will make money daily. However, they will only pay you every week once you have accumulated your money from the points that you're actually going to make. But I just think it's one of those easiest ways for you to make money because the app is literally on your phone. You can literally use your phone when you're in the bathroom, when you're taking a break, when you're having your coffee break at work, etc. You don't always have to be on the website, but because it's so easily accessible on your phone, then it's easy for you to spend your day making money on a daily basis. The last website on our list is actually a very short and sweet website. This is called Enroll. Basically, Enroll is another tester platform that hires you to be able to make the web a better place by obviously being able to test apps as well as websites, finding bugs and then reporting them so that the different companies that own these apps and websites can actually improve them. Before we can come to the sign up tab, which I feel like is very simple, we're just going to read more about what Enroll is and how you can actually work on the platform. Enroll says be the first to know, which basically means you get to see what real companies are working on right now and you let them know what you actually think, which is the feedback that you actually give them. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the screen of these apps as well as the websites that the companies are actually working on. On Enroll, they do not discriminate. You get to take tests anyway. If you're addicted to your phone or your tablet, then you can take user tests on any of the devices. Whether it's a phone, a tablet, a desktop, whatever you prefer, you'll be able to be hired on Enroll app in order for you to participate in their testing. And then of course, you're going to earn the rewards. You collect badges to show off to your friends as well as get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. So you will need to have a PayPal account in order for you to be able to work on Enroll, guys. And then by being able to participate in Enroll, you get to change the web, which is what they said above, because you be a part of the internet's next revolution. You help good ideas happen, you make suggestions, and you stop bad ones in their tracks by being able to give the different companies the feedback that they need in order for them to know whether their bugs and or websites and or apps are actually working. Once you're ready to be a part of the Enroll family, you can just come here and sign up, put in your email, create a password, or you can even sign up with your Google account, which means whatever your Gmail account is, you can just click there and link it onto your account on Enroll in order for you to be able to make money on a daily basis. If you found this video useful, then please do reward me for all the work that I've done by just hitting the like button. And if you haven't already, don't forget to join the Money Talks community by just hitting the subscribe button below. I promise you it's absolutely free, but it would allow you to not miss out on any of the content that happens here on Money Talks. I wish you guys all the best in finding ways to be able to make money online. There's so many other videos on Money Talks that you can check out in order for you to widen your opportunities of actually being able to make money online and or to create online side hustles. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers.